Hi, it's Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you how much I love my new Fitbit Versa 2.
Some of the features that I really love include the date and time, the steps you take, your heart rate, calories burned. I love that there's a stress management score, including a guided breathing session. Also, you can find out what the weather is in your local area. So I've got it set so that it can even let me know when it's a good time to take a walk. And I know that my Fitbit Versa is counting my steps and helping me to manage my fitness. Sleep is also very important, and I know that this will help me to track my sleep and give me a sleep score. Although it's got a 6-day battery life, the charger dock smartwatch charging stand is so easy to use. So when you take your Fitbit Versa off, you're able to connect it with no problem and it charges so quickly. I really was so pleasantly surprised by just how quick it actually came to a full charge. I've got the small band on my Fitbit Versa 2. But if you notice, it's very, very simple to just replace it with the large band if you wanted to do so. All in all, I'm super happy with my choice.
And that's my point of view.